We're back. It's Sunday dinner time. Do you get excited when you get new things? Yes, we got a new crock pot. Yay! And we're going to make sure this bad boy is working. So today's video, we are making red beans. Crock pot red beans. Now, normally I let my red beans soak for at least 12 hours, but I didn't do it. Bad on me. So these are the red beans. Quick, easy, simple meal. This was less than like $1. This was the pre-cut up veggie. So they call it the Holy Trinity. I added my chicken broth. So you're going to see everything I added in the red beans. Quick, easy, simple, shutdown proof meals. And let them cook. And I added my bouillon cube. And again, you can, make it the way you want to make it. But it's simple, easy, delicious red beans. You could eat this, with your side of meat. If you don't want the meat, you can pair it, quick and easy. This is crock-pot red beans. There's my veggies. I think I added a little bit of rotel, my chicken bouillon cube. These are all the seasons that I added. Now, I wouldn't add, probably too much seasoning, but you're going to, as you're cooking the beans, that's my Saison. And as you are cooking the beans, you can, taste it to see if it's seasoned enough, if it's not seasoned. I forgot to add my bay leaf. I need to get some bay leaves. But again, you can cook, the way, taste them, the way as you are cooking them for, as long as they're in the crock pot, taste it to see, what your season is. Again, I used chicken bouillon, chicken broth, Saison, and seasoned salt. And I just, tasted it as I went on. The broth, to make sure that they was seasoned the way I like. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Again, there is my pork chops. So we added, for the meat, we had pork chops. So we had red beans, crock-pot red beans, and pork chops. And again, there's the chicken broth. And I just season them with the season on the pork chops are ranch, and the regular seasoning, seasoned salt, Saison. And here I am cutting up my sausage. I'm cutting up my sausage. So it's only like two people. Well, it's only me and the mister in the house. So I don't make a lot of food. And the red beans, again, you can add ham hock. You can add whatever you want to your red beans. This is just my red beans. Simple, easy, less than probably like $10. I think the sausage was made was $4, the beans $1, then all the little seasoning, probably less than $15, less than $10, I would say. And quick and easy. Again, you cut your sausages the way you want to cut them up. So this is me adding my sausages. I think these cooked already for about maybe 2 or 3 hours. And you just let them cook, relax, and you just let the crock pot do the work. You already did the heavy lifting, and you just, as you are going, you cooking, you can, taste the broth. If it's seasoned, not seasoned, I just added sausage, the beans, and just season them real good. And again, people add chicken stock, chicken, whatever, just simple, easy meal. Again, don't forget to like, share. There is the final dish. I got our red beans, our cornbread, and our pork chop. Less than $20. Again, peace, love, and blessings. Until next video, don't forget to subscribe to Eats and Travel. Let us know what meal should we cook next.